how to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. Now transferring from a wallet to another wallet is very simple. Over here in Tonkeeper, we're simply going to first navigate to the cryptocurrency that we want to transfer. So over here in our example, we have USDT. This is our USDT over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on send. And then you're simply going to put over here the address or the name of the wallet in Binance. There are different wallets and it will be able to recognize the address of that wallet. You could even put the comment over here. You will be able to specify how much USDT you are willing to send to that person as long as you got the address correctly. And then after that, the transfer will be proceeded. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.